Hello everyone, I'm with
James.
Sophia.
Risa.
I'm Catherine po.
I'm Sebastian.
I'm Michael po. Juice.
I'm Jameson. I'm James. Mateo. Paul Ryan Tan.
Who is your favorite player in the UAAP and why?
Nick Cabanyero. Solely because ano ko yun eh. Schoolmate ko yun. Sim kami ng ng program sa sa school. Commerce kami, commerce. So basketball skills niya. It's very good. It's very good.
Si Jay Figueroa po kasi siya po yung bubuhat sa inyo ngayon.
Harold Alarcon kasi naka 34 points siya today.
For me, Terence Fertea and Jacob Baila. Because clutch moments.
Harold Alarcon because of his clutch genes and composure during games. Jacob Baila, defense, tsaka hustle in the court, energy, really brings the team to such level kapag down, siya yung nagpa-pop na energy. Yeah.
Jacob Cortez! Bakit?
He's clutch. He's there when you need him. Tapos, bro, San Beda days pa lang, grabe na. Clutch na.
Jacob Cortez because he's making the big plays for us right now and guy's good.
For me right now, si Ken, yeah. Kasi I actually am an alumni now of UST. I've worked with them before because of my course. So parang may personal connection ako with the team. And I've witnessed how Ken really has grown into UST. Kasi for backstory, parang galing pa siyang Lasal eh. Tapos parang lumipat pa lang siya dito sa UST. Tapos parang, alam mo yun, parang she just transferred pero she became such a central part of the team na talagang huge contributor kung bakit nananalo sila for the past few seasons, di ba? Nung nabalik yung championship sa UST. So, really solid, especially last playing year niya na. So, yun, Ken Pastrana talaga.
Madami. But for now, siguro si Jacob Cortez. Yeah, of Lasal.
So, bakit po?
Actually ngayon, nakikita ko yung laro niya is nagpipick yung laro niya ngayon eh. Malaking factor siya kaya nakapasok ang Lasal ngayon sa finals. So, nabibilib din ako sa mga moves niya. Kasi yung against Ateneo and the Final Four, siya talaga yung key player. Yeah. Yung mga crucial plays. Yeah. Siya yung talagang nagke-create tsaka nasushoot niya talaga.